Atlantic Ocean and also Pacific Ocean also will affect the weather system after this intro. Weather right here let you know what is actually going to happen during winter. You can see on this area, you can see what it is. This is the North Atlantic Ocean, known as like NAO. This will just show you what is happening, but I just don't know what is all of this mean by that. But also I need to keep eye on all of this because it is very important for winter. I just don't know not a lot about it. Just let you know what it could look like on the weather belt map. I will show you it on right now. This is the elevation. You can see on the right. You can see like the low pressure, but that low pressure moves and dissipates, then it's gonna grow back. You can see where it is at right now. You can see around Alaska. That's what it is. It is headed towards still, but that big bulge, it will cause a little bit much more difficult predicting what is going on about that, because it is going to also change our weather system. Let me explain. Then you can see which one we need to keep an eye on, and you can see where these two little, like a little low pressure, but noise a lot of Asian. But we need to keep an eye on because this also will change our weather. You can see there's two areas of it. You can see there's one in Alaska and a number two in Europe. This will affect the weather. I will show you it right now. You can see which one we need to keep an eye on in the northern Canada, because this one will just always keep moving southward by the high pressure, then will be a building up one, because this one will push upwards and also affect about the southward as well, and also will help about the severe weather. You can see around the Mississippi and also Oklahoma down there also have effect by it. So how much we need to know about the difference between causing effect about the low pressure and also oscillation in temperature tendency about that. So much more we need to keep an eye on it, and also why this is also affecting about how warm or cold will be. This 9 days in European shows the North Atlantic will be much warmer in like Canada area. So you can see it will be a little bit warmer, but not much yet. But when we get a little bit closer, we'll see a little bit warmer-ish, but not enough for it will be like feel like spring or like summer, but almost like early warm fall feeling. That's what it is. I think of what it's going feeling for this weekend about what is going on about it. But also we'll talk about the severe weather right now. This area will also talk about the severe weather part, where you can see there's nothing else, but when the temperature also will be rise, and also the threat also rise, well, the thunderstorm. But the temperature is around 60s, around Mississippi, and also Alabama, and also around the Kansasville area. There's most areas also talk about it because you can see how much K index there will be about it, how much is also causing it, so much more about this severe weather chance during November 27th. A repeat, there will be a chance for a storm during November 27th. But the K value is a little bit low, but keep an eye on it in case will be much more detailed on my TikTok about it, much more about it, because I'm going to November Thanksgiving for this week. Just let you know what is going on the weather forecast. This is extreme weather out here.